lot of glitter and stuff on here, so. Hello, and welcome, our fellow amateurs. Today we'll be building Santa Finders. Ooh, it's snowing. Subscribe.
Oh, that's terrible. Maybe you should just press the button instead of eat it.
Playing a shot now. Yeah. Oh, you are? Oh, God. On the video. Okay, so to start off with our Santa Finders. Are you calling me a jolly fat white man?
Of course.
Okay. Anyways, so we can decorate these basically any way you want. If you want to paint them, you can. If you want to just use like glue and glue stuff on, you can. So I think we're going different routes. So you get to find out what they look like in different types of ways or whatever it is. You know?
You know.
You know. So anyways, first of all, when they paint, it's going to have to dry, of course. Just like with my glue, I'm going to put glue on mine, and then I'm going to put it like inside my little design right here, and it's going to have to dry. So let's get painting and gluing.
Hopefully this content's good, right, Mom?
So use scissors when opening things, unless you like the taste.
Yep. And by the way, you just spilled a lot.
Get out. You've been banned. Huh?
What are you gonna do? What's your idea?
I was thinking about putting snow on this or rolling it in the snow, letting that dry, and then decorating it a little bit.
Oi, I was thinking putting like white dots of snow, too.
Sounds like plans. Yeah.
What about you?
We'll see anybody going for like a snowy night kind of look.
Why are we all going snow?
It's winter.
It's the most
Wonderful time this song's taken.
That's what people think because nobody watches our vids. Sadly. Would do
Maybe I should do one red.
the 50th hour song of the year.
Ooh. That's pretty.
Beautiful.
Try to get it on there before the paint dries, so I don't have to do like glue on top of it.
Yeah. My shirt is
Grab a hand and go
white.
wash my hands.
No.
Don't you dare.
Yeah.
This is my everyday life.
Got it. He's never coming back.
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
Okay.
Have you came back? Milk? Have you came back?
Milk. That's what I
Do you see where I'm going? Do you see what I'm doing?
Stripes. You making a candy cane?
He's like, excuse me?
Right.
It's a ribbon.
Audacity.
It's going to be like a green. Green
So
and
while they're digging around too, I'm gonna cut my ribbon.
My brain.
yeah, what?
We have scissors.
No. Scissors, they're somewhere.
Come on, Dan. You even forgot to get the scissors.
Yeah. what he said.
Yeah. Finally, you're past with the scissors. What about the milk?
Still no milk.
For any of you.
You don't deserve milk.
No, no.
Oh, idea. Okay.
Oh.
I want the scissors. Nice. Should I put it up here? Or should I put it in the middle? Or should I put it there? What do you think? What do you think?
Maybe one end. Did you go the other way?
No.
Was it right now?
No.
Okay. I'd say put on one end.
Okay.
What was the vegetable monster come after you? Yeah, definitely.
You're good at it, right? My idea here, just hear me out. You play some Teo. See where people actually like.
What are you doing?
Go.
Okay, so I had an idea.
What?
I tried to execute it,
Uh-huh.
and it looks bad.
Why?
Because I was like, ooh, I'm gonna put Christmas lights on it. And now I was gonna use yellow as my connecting wire.
Uh-huh.
And just yellow smears.
Like snot?
Kinda.
Nice.
But oh well. What's done is done. So I'm going to take this moment to, if you like our content, why don't you go on down and hit that subscribe button. Get more of this. Oh, yeah.
We're professionals.
Professional amateurs.
Yeah. His sister's Garbo.
So, at this point, too, if you're following along, you're doing this with us, you and your kids or whoever, let us know how it went down in the comments. Even go to our subreddit, Amateurs Attempt Craft, and show us some pictures, how well you guys did, and if you guys had fun. It's a pretty easy craft to do with the family, as long as, kids aren't being buttheads, it can all be fun for everybody.
That's not us. Alrighty. So, I think I'm done. So what I'm going to do is hot glue mine. Sorry, that was just snow on it. I'm gonna glue mine together.
Yeah, points like joking.
So I hope I don't burn myself.
Yes.
So give it a few minutes and let yours dry, and then we'll glue it.
Classic moms.
Stand up. Stand up.
It was oh, there we go. I have glued it. I am holding them together, pressing it to make sure it stays because I have a lot of glitter and stuff on here, so I want to make sure it doesn't fall off.
That hot glue is still hot through the toilet paper roll.
Yeah.
You're inappropriate.
You're gonna have to cut that out. This is how mine is going so far. Comment down if you like it.
Trying to go for that snowy night sky. You can see where I tried to make Christmas lights. And now it looks like ketchup, mustard, and relish smeared on there.
Well, you attempt.
My attempt, yes, my attempt.
Right? Looks more like New Year's Eve morning.
A little bit more.
Okay.
While we're waiting for him, we're gonna add string to ours to go around their neck, the little neck holders.
There's a little one over here. Unless you want. You can use whatever size ribbon, string you want. From what I can remember, I believe you can glue this on if you want, or you can
Or staple.
or staple it, or put a little punch hole through the side, tie it, whatever method you have at hand. Even Elmer's glue would work fine. I think I might hot glue mine. Let's see how.
Do we really want to touch this thing
I'm
again?
going to see how it turns out. You know, being the only adult in this house. So I put a hefty dollop of the glue and just stuck the string in it, and I'm gonna let that dry.
I'm done with this. I'm just gonna wait for this to dry.
And since I'm done burning myself, I think I'm gonna try a stapler. Stapler. Please!
Okay. So,
Now you guys get to see what they look like.
final product.
Finishing. The finishing touch.
First one
Just to see.
is mine. I can't see with the camera. Can you see? There we go. Let's move the glue then.
Very good.
And this is what it looks like. Then we have Mateos.
Yes. Comment down how you
He
like
went for
it.
the stripe look with the blue sky and the snow. He has the blue ribbon. See, mine was more of a, I forgot to say, mine was snow as well. The little gift present and a little red bow. And then we have Zayas, which is a stormy night, is it?
Snowy night.
Snowy night. Hey, you found him yet? Yeah? Keep looking, Let's go. Well, we tried our hardest. We didn't find Santa, but we did find his bestie. Right here. Where did Mateo go? Maybe he found Santa. He might not come back. Anyways, comment and let us know how you think we did, and if what do you think we could have done better or changed, or if you have any new ideas for next year.
Or if you could do better than us.
Good luck.
So, if you'd like to continue to follow us around, you can always go to our social medias on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. All amateurs attempting. Click the like button.
Please.
This is close.
You want to? Do it for Santa's friend and our lost son. Don't you care?
And until next time.
Laters.